Former Miss India and Bollywood actress Meenakshi Seshadri ruled the 80s and 90s with her performances, beauty, and dance skills. She took a back seat because of her marriage, but now we hear that she's traveling to B-Town for some professional work. Maybe we'll see her on the big screen. Thankfully, she could take out some time from her busy schedule to give us. Let's talk to her. Let us start from the beginning, Meenakshi ji. You were not from a filmy background, but how did Miss India crowning happen? You at a tender age of 17?
Yes, it's true. I'm not from a film background. I'm not from a beauty pageant or modeling background either.
That's right.
But I'm from a background of performing arts, which is Indian classical dance and music. So that really held me in good stead. In fact, I started acting in all our school plays, all the way from middle school to upper school. I even directed. So I had a lot of interest in acting. And I acted in Hindi and English language.
Wow.
And when I finished school, I had told my parents that I'm going to be a dancer. That is my goal in life. I'm going to make that my profession. And they said, it's a very hard profession. It's not an easy profession. And I said, well, this is my wish and desire, and I think Bhagwan ye puri karke dega mujhe. Following that, I just entered a beauty contest for fun. When I was 17, I just finished my 12th grade exams. I was waiting for the results and I said, chalo, let's try this contest. Let's see what all the other girls look like. And to my surprise, I was crowned Miss Delhi. And within a week, I had to go for the finals in Mumbai. And to my even greater surprise, I was crowned Miss India 1981.
Yeah.
So, you know, I think when things are meant to happen, they just do. And that Miss India title took me to even greater heights and newer places, opened up new opportunities for me, which we will talk about.
Like the next movie, which you got immediately after Miss India?
Yes. After Miss India, I was approached by the great producer, director, writer, actor Manoj Kumar if I wanted to be introduced in a movie he was producing where his brother and another new girl were also being introduced. I was so excited because I said, always I wanted to learn about acting, and now I'll get a chance to learn about movie acting, which is different from stage acting. And I convinced my parents somehow, and I accepted that movie. Now, I know you wanted to know earlier whether I thought of quitting right after my first movie.
That's right. Yeah, you wanted to, right?
Actually, that's not correct. What really happened was that while I was making the movie Painter Babu, my second movie, Hero, the producer-director, great showman Subhash Ghai, approached me for a role in that movie through Manoj Kumar, because he was a great admirer of Manojji. And he saw my rushes from Painter Babu and he said, yes, you fit the role of Radha in my hero, who's a young innocent girl who loves dancing. So I was perfect for that role.
You were. We ask us, all our viewers, we just loved you in Hero. Overnight, you rose to great heights, Meenakshi ji.
Right. But you know what happened? I had promised my parents, मैं सिर्फ एक movie करूँगी. That's all. I just want to learn how film acting is done. But it turned out that I was going to do a second movie, and from that movie's success, one thing led to another, and it ended up being a full-fledged career for me for several years.
So did your parents feel it's okay to keep doing movies, or they had something to say?
My parents had two requests of me. The first one was I should not stop studying. So I continued during my time in the movies. I continued my BA and also my MA along with my acting. And the second request they did was they said, you are very simple, you're very young, you're very inexperienced. So you should always have a family member with you no matter where you go.
So
all through. And I like that because I felt the need for, not just because of a chaperone, but because I felt that I wasn't ready to do everything alone by myself, not at that young age.
With Hero, your name also changed. And I know you were born with the name Shashikala Meenakshi. How did it come? And I know the fancy of Subhash Ghai with the M letter. But did you have a say in the name you took?
Yes, I was born Shashikala. It rhymed with my sister's name, which was Nirmala. And my mom gave me that name. And almost all my school friends call me and know me by that name. But when I joined movies and Manojji wanted to know if I would change my name, because there's already another very well-known actress called Shashikala in the movie business who was still acting. So I told him, my grandfather christened me with another name. Can I use that? And he said, what name is that? I said, it's Meenakshi. Because the year I was born, Meenakshi temple was consecrated with a golden shrine. And in honor of that, he had given me this name Meenakshi, my grandfather. So he agreed, and so from then on I became Meenakshi Seshadri. But here's my little challenge for you, Navneeta. Shashikala may be my mom's name for me, Meenakshi might be my film name, but what is my nickname?
Your nickname? I think I know it.
Okay.
Does it start with C?
Yes, it starts with C.
Is it a fruit?
It is a fruit, right?
Is it cherry?
Yes. Cherry, and of course in US it became Sherry.
Oh, that's very classy. Sherry. Meenakshi
Sherry.
Sherry. I love it. People know about your career graph. You were just there for 13 years, from 83 to 96. But you have done some amazing blockbuster movies, which were highest grossers of that year as well. Rajesh Khanna ke saath you did Bewafai, Meri Jang, Jurm, Ghayal, Ghatak, Damini, Ghar Ho To Aisa, Shahenshah, Swati, Awargi, some critically acclaimed ones. Mind-blowing. People really miss you. It was just 13 years and you had so many names to your career already. So after you left the industry, did you feel that there were certain roles that you would have loved to do?
Actually, there were many roles of the yesteryear actresses which I would love to have done as a remake. I had mentioned recently that I'd love Nargis ji in the movie Raat Aur Din, where she played a schizophrenic. Ooh, I would love to do a role like that.
So you have actually got into so many roles, Chulbuli, now you are wanting to play a schizophrenic, you have got into Damini. Damini really gave a character. Do people call you Damini?
Yeah, a lot of people call me Damini, and rightfully so, I think, because it's one of my most beautiful roles that I have got a chance to portray. And you're right. Chulbulapan, yeah, Damini jaisa serious role, more mature roles, including glamour roles. I'm ready for any of that today.
But talking about Damini, director Rajkumar Santoshi actually came up with some real great films, Ghayal, Ghatak, Damini. So when the script came at that time, when these issues were a taboo to talk about, what was your initial reaction?
I think when people went to see Damini in the theatres, they were very, very, very disturbed, because it was so real that somebody could have this happen to them in their life. Achhe bhale ghar mein hai, and then you have this problem of rape. And to stand up for a victim like that, to talk on their behalf, takes a lot of courage. And I think that's why people identify so much with Damini, because she was a simple girl. She wasn't some great person with a lot of money or a lot of exposure to things in life. But she fought for that girl. And I think that controversy is important. Like now you're having this latest release of Deepika called Chapak.
Yeah.
That is also an issue of acid attack. So we have many such things happening with women in our country, and it's time to become aware of it, do something about it, and lead to women empowerment.
Meenakshi ji, you have done so many roles in 13 years span. But tell me, which has been your personal favorite?
I think my favorites are very obvious because these have been the milestones of my career. I have two which are one of my, on my A list. One is Hero and the other is Damini. Hero because it was almost like my first movie, and it was so well appreciated in wherever people saw it. They made it the super hit that it was. In fact, Hero, in a place like Tamil Nadu, a southern state, which wanted to even ban studying Hindi because they were like, our language Tamil should be the only thing in our schools. वहाँ जाके चेन्नई शहर में Hero ran for more than a year.
Wow.
And you can imagine what a big hit that was.
It was.
And then it had remakes in southern languages, and all the heroines who did those language films, they became successes. So Hero is bigger than what it just seems to us. कि एक अच्छी movie थी. It is even greater than that, its success story. And coming to Damini, I was more mature when I was approached to do this movie. And there was a very good equation with the director Rajkumar Santoshi because I had already worked with him in Ghayal. And the idea was कि जो yesterdays में heroine की अच्छी बहुत meaningful roles होती थी, उस type की film बने, neat and clean, जो हर इंसान आके देख सके theatre में. And I was personally so excited when I read that script, and I was like, really? I can get to perform something like this? And I put my heart and soul into it. And I'm so glad that Damini was loved by all the people who saw it.
It was, and it is still in the hearts. And when you go back as well, people are going to remember that Damini and the Hero truly set the two movies. But how was the set experience with Subhash Ghai's set and then Rajkumar Santoshi? I mean, what have your... I would love to know some anecdotes.
Well, in Hero, the most famous anecdote, which I have said many times, is the Ice Maiden story.
Ice Maiden.
The Ice Maiden. Yani ki main. Him Kanya.
Oh.
Just because I did not have a boyfriend or did not have male special friend in my life, or I was very quiet, did not talk much to people. I was a bit of an introvert. So ये नाम मुझे दिया गया. But more so it was given to me because when I was shooting for Hero in the hill station of Ooty, and I was sick with cold and fever, and I had to shoot under a waterfall, when the press members came, journalists came to cover the shooting, they saw me sitting on my mother's lap because I was so sick, and in between shots I was shivering because I was wet. And they said, ये तो किसी से बात नहीं करती है, ये तो Ice Maiden है.
Oh.
So that's one anecdote from Hero that I did want to tell you. Another one which is very funny is in Tu Mera Janu Hai, the title song, Jackie is supposed to get a thorn on his finger and I'm supposed to suck out the blood. But who are you shooting ke dauran ki I got a thorn in my finger and the cameraman had to help me take out that thorn. Even today when I think of it, I laugh. It's so crazy. In Damini, there were several important incidents which happened. There's a sequence in the mental asylum where I'm going slowly crazy and I'm forgetting who I was and I'm speaking all kinds of nonsense. That scene, I was not given any dialogues. Meenakshi, तुम्हें हम कोई lines नहीं देंगे, कुछ words नहीं देंगे. It is a 3-minute scene. तुमको अपने आप creative तरीके से improvise करना है. You have to decide how you will portray that this girl is acting mad. Boy, that was such a challenge. But कैसे भी with the help of my director and my mother, who's my first teacher, I was able to do the shot successfully.
Very beautifully. And that asylum scene, I mean, just felt that you were not in this world but somewhere else. Beautiful. I would say your song actually really describes your situation very well. Lambi Judai. 4 dinon da pyaro rabba badi lambi judai. Actually, it has been a long time and people have been waiting for you. I think you would not feel it so much as your fans feel it. But you've always said that your family comes first. So now, are your kids settled?
After being in the US for 20 years, 2 decades, where I have seen marriage, motherhood, homemaking, and being involved with the community, I am today seeing my children are settled. My daughter is going to graduate this summer of 2020, and she'll join a job soon after. My son is almost in his last year of high school, and then he will go to college. So I can say that my family here will be settled enough so that ये जो लंबी जुदाई थी मेरे और मेरे ऑडियंस इंडिया में हमारे बीच में वो अब ना रहे. I'm looking forward now, taking the time to go back to India and pursue my dreams once again.
Amen. What are the kind of roles you are looking to do?
Well, today definitely I have to act my age. So, could I be doing roles which are like elder sister, mother, grandmother?
You'll be a very naughty grandmother though.
I'll be a naughty grandmother for sure. Or good character roles, or good female lead roles. I'm ready to tackle anything which comes my way. I have, so many role models like Meryl Streep, Julia Roberts. I see their movies, they have done such amazing performances and characters that they have got. I look forward to such challenging roles for myself too. And most of the time, when I say that I'm going to perform this role or I want to perform a role like that, it doesn't happen. When I don't think about it, the role falls into my lap.
Awesome.
So अभी भी मैं ज़्यादा नहीं बोलूँगी.
और मैं सोचूंगी भी नहीं वो गोदी में आके गिर जाए. Perfect. But your contemporaries are still doing some real amazing role. Amitabh Bachchan, Rishi Kapoor, Jackie Shroff, Anil Kapoor, still there, and there are roles. The world has changed. The way Bollywood is treating roles these days have changed. Even web series is such a huge thing. TV is no more small, and reality shows, there's so many. So are you open to everything?
I'm open to everything. I'm today's woman. In the 2020s, anything can happen, and we have the world of media and entertainment and performing arts all open. And I'm open to stage also. In fact, I have planned a very big group dance, drama, ballet, multimedia presentation. And I'm putting final results to that when I go to India this year. And I hope to perform that also on stage as a dancer.
So Meenakshi ji, you have done movies in South as well, in Tamil and Telugu. Is South approaching you? Do they know that you're coming down to Bollywood?
Well, I am in the South, Texas. My experience in South Indian films has been excellent. I have performed in Tamil and Telugu languages. In Tamil, I worked with K. Balachandar, the great director, and he made this film called Duet about two brothers who both fall in love with the same girl. So I had to play the name of the heroine was Anjali, and there's this famous song called Anjali Pushpanjali in that movie, music by A.R. Rahman, which became a great hit. And in Telugu, I did a movie called Apat Bandhavudu with Chiranjeevi, where I worked with the fantastic director K. Vishwanath. And for that movie, I got the Andhra Pradesh Nandi Awards, state government awards for Best Actress. So I feel that there is future for me in South Indian languages. After all, NTR, the well-known filmmaker, actor and politician, asked me to be his Menaka when he played Brahmarishi Vishwamitra. So I'm there, maybe not as Menaka, but as today's avatar of Menaka.
So let's get into a fun segment now. Okay. Quickly. It is called Quick Beat. Like your heartbeat, it should be that fast. So here, let's go. Your favorite holiday place?
The blue lagoons of Maldives.
Wow. Favorite co-star? Someone you were really fond of?
Rishi Kapoor.
Do you watch films? All of them?
All films? No.
Which has been your recent favorite?
Bala.
Bala, oh, you watched that, so cute. So who is your favorite star in the generation of actors now?
Male actor.
Male, female, your choice.
Male, female. Okay.
Both maybe?
Female would be Deepika Padukone.
Ah.
And male, I have a weakness for Ayushmann Khurrana.
Ayushmann, she's coming. Favorite food?
I love dahi chawal with aam ka achar.
Wow, deadly combination. Which is one role you think you would have loved to do?
I would have loved to have played Erin Brockovich,
Oh.
the woman who exposes corruption.
We need Erin Brockovich in India right now. If there's one thing that you could change in your life, what would that be?
I guess it would be leaving India. I would try and see that I could stay married and live in India at the same time.
See, we also really wish the same. It's the same wish.
But my love was more important than anything else for me. So I don't really regret it, coming to the US for so many years.
Two worlds now. You never know which this marries into. One thing on your bucket list which you know you will one day get to.
Travel to as many countries as possible. I haven't been traveling much and now it's time.
And now for us, this is not a quick beat, but for our heartbeat, we'd love you to sing for us.
Okay, I'm going to sing for you in Hindi, and then a little bit in English, and then a little bit in Tamil. No, I'm just kidding.
Oh my God, I thought I was getting a treat.
जीत जाएंगे हम, जीत जाएंगे हम, तू अगर संग है, जिंदगी हर कदम एक नई जंग है, जिंदगी हर कदम एक नई जंग है, जीत जाएंगे हम, जीत जाएंगे हम, तू अगर संग है, जिंदगी हर कदम एक नई जंग है.
Beautiful. And believe me, I think everybody is waiting for you. We are so excited. I know we don't know about the projects, but I know they would make us very happy, and wish you all the best for whatever you do. And 13 years was very less. You left us at the time when so many things could have happened and so many lovely roles we could have seen of you.
जहाँ आंखें खुली वही सवेरा है.
आज ही आंखें खुली और आज ही सवेरा है. Meenakshi Seshadri going back with her professional work to Bollywood, and we wish her loads of luck from here, Dallas. सात समंदर पार इनको हर समय जाने का शौक है. पहले उधर से इधर आई, अब इधर से उधर. But these two worlds have become smaller. From this world to that world, Dallas to India, Meenakshi Seshadri moves back. Thank you guys. It was a pleasure talking to all of you, and we are wishing Meenakshi ji loads of luck, and we are looking forward to see some great work. Keep watching. Thank you.